If you want to quickly search through your Leonardo AI images, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find your generated images fast using the library search feature so you can save time and stay organized. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple AI and software guides. Let's jump in. First, open Leonardo AI and go to your library. This is where all of your saved and generated images are stored, so it's the best place to begin when you're trying to locate a specific image or project. Once you're inside the library, look at the top of the page. You'll see the search bar there, and that's the main tool you'll use to find what you need. Click inside the search bar and type in the keyword, image name, prompt phrase, or any related text you remember. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to narrow down your results. For example, you can search by a subject, a style, or even part of the prompt you used when generating the image. After you type your search term, your results will appear below automatically. You don't need to press anything complicated or go through extra menus. Leonardo AI will instantly filter your library and show you matching images underneath the search bar. From there, you can scroll through the results and open the image you want. This is especially useful if you have a large library and don't want to waste time manually browsing through every single creation. And that's really all there is to it. Go to your library, use the search bar at the top, type what you're looking for, and your results will appear below. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference when you're managing lots of AI-generated images. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.